There was a big press conference with President Trump and HHS, Health and Human Services Secretary RFK Jr. And one of the things they announced, something that I was not aware of, but I've checked it out. And yeah, it's true. For several years, there have been scientific studies pointing to a possible correlation between the use of acetaminophen, which is the active ingredient in Tylenol, and autism. I just have to give a hat tip to a left-wing organization, Harvard University, published this study that points out a strong possibility that there's a correlation between the use of acetaminophen products by pregnant women, especially large doses of acetaminophen early in their pregnancy, between that and the rise of autism. And anybody who's been awake the last 5, 10 years, 20 years knows that there's been a huge increase in autism. RFK Jr. is fond of saying that when his uncle was president, when he was about, 10 years old, when RFK Jr. was about 10, and his uncle JFK was president, the incidence of autism was virtually unknown. It was something like 1 in 30,000 children was diagnosed autistic, and it's risen to the point now where it's something like 1 in 30, something like that, and it's a huge increase.